Welcome back. Let's learn about covariance, correlation, regression, and we will also learn what do we mean by Pearson correlation and Spearman correlation. So covariance, the formula for covariance for the population is COV x into y, that's your x-axis and y-axis, equals to summation of x minus mean of x multiply by y minus mean of y divided by n. So this is the formula for covariance population. So when we are talking about the population covariance formula, but when we have sample covariance, in that case, we use degree of freedom and we just, it's the same formula, you can see that, but we do n minus 1. So for example, you have 30 data sets, you just minus 1. So you will put 29 at the bottom. So above you will divide by 30, over here you will divide by 29. So this is the only difference between population and sample covariance. Now let's understand what is correlation and its formula. So we have studied correlation before in earlier videos, in earlier tutorial, in which we have understood the definition. Now what's the formula for it? So covariance you put on top. So whatever you get, so for example, if you are solving for sample, you will put sample covariance. If you're solving for population, whatever result you get from covariance from population, you will put over here on top. And just divide that by x is standard deviation, and multiply by again y-axis of standard deviation. So this is how you solve the correlation. Now, what is Pearson correlation? So this is basically also known as Pearson correlation. Now, what is Spearman correlation? This is Spearman correlation formula. In Spearman correlation, we use rank. So it's the same formula, but we use rank of x, rank of y equals to covariance of rank of x into rank of y, and divide that by standard deviation rank of x and standard deviation rank of y. It also says P denotes the usual Pearson correlation coefficient. So this is P we are talking about, but applied to the rank variable. Covariance rank x, rank y is the covariance of the rank variables. And these are the standard deviation, which we just discussed. So there is not massive difference in when we talking about, like, they all derive from one. So you need, if you know the covariance, how to get the answer for the covariance, then you can solve the correlation as well. And if you know the correlation as well, in that case you can also understand how to do with the questions related to that as well. So we'll come back in the next video and we will understand more in detail this thing.